Just stepped off the train, found my way back home. City lights fading as I walk alone. Old streets familiar as my grandma's quilt. Feel the soul of the town where my dreams were built. Corner store standing like it never left. Smell of fresh bread putting memories to the test. Kids playing hopscotch, laughter in the air. Echoes of my childhood everywhere. Back to my roots where the heart beats true. Key change lifting me through the blue. Husky voices singing out the pain. High pitch echoes in the rain. Under the old oak where we carved our names. Time takes away but some things stay the same. Rusty swings and the sound of the breeze wrap me in comfort, set my soul at ease. Passed by the house where I took my first steps. Mama's garden blooming like she never left. Neighbors waving from their porch with a smile. Feels like I've been gone more than just a while. Back to my roots where the heart beats true. Key change lifting me through the blue. Husky voices singing out the pain. High pitch echoes in the rain. Husky voices singing out the pain.